Alright, toolbox season's coming up, and I've been seeing a couple of these modular 62-inch with the 10 drawer. This is sort of like the big one with the side cabinet, but there's no side cabinet, and this is just all open. The problem is, this one doesn't have a flat bottom. It's just kind of like a shell, so you can't use something too small or it'll sink because it's just supported by cardboard, so you have to be super careful with this. If I don't have, because I think this is a 61, it's just barely shorter. Yeah, but if you only have two of the smaller ones, you can set it on the sides, but it's kind of a pain in the butt because when you go to slide it over, if you're not careful, it'll slip off the edge too. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. There's an absurd amount of cardboard, so I'm probably just gonna skip all that part. So get all that off. I like it when they put these on the pallets like this. Kind of pain in the butt. Just be careful, these wheels will fall through. Yep, that's what it's trying to do. Stupid, but this is a stainless top, so it's going to score inside of that so I can peel it. So once you get the top on, it'll cover this and you won't be able to peel it off. You got these little plastic plugs that go in all these extra holes. It doesn't have any of the accessories with it, so I don't know what, if anything, will get used. I don't mess with them. I just throw them in the drawer in the bag. Call it lazy, call it whatever. Ain't nobody got time for that. This thing takes long enough as it is. About 13 mil for the handle. Worry about y'all a bit. Yeah, see, this is just open on the bottom, so you don't want it hanging too far off of any edge if you can help it. grommets, back bracket. It's the same side handles as on the 3-piece. Because of these plugins, I like to take it backwards onto the top. So, oh, wrong way. Nice if I had more room. Totally failed. So here's the part where you want to be careful and not let it slide. I have it on this other piece of cardboard, but instead of having brackets for the outside corners, we get inside bolts. They're 10 mil. Unfortunately, they're in these little recessed parts. Let's use my little battery ratchet. You've got this little plate that goes in the back. That's pretty much it. We just got the safety strap. Just leave the rest of this in here. So if you want to peel this, you can, but I'm not gonna. I got other stuff I gotta go do. I don't want to be here too late. But yeah, so just kind of heads up on these. This is empty on the bottom, so you're gonna want to be careful. Probably gonna start getting more of these. I don't know if these are old or new, if they're before my time or if they just started showing up. This is probably the 4th or 5th one I've seen. Yeah, not a fan. So it'd be nice in my shop, but I don't like it at work.